Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete an invite message on Instagram. It's super simple and easy. First, send someone a message on Instagram. To delete the invite message, press and hold the message and then tap unsend. The message will be instantly deleted. If that doesn't work, here's another method. Go back to their profile, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select block. Once the person is blocked, return to the chat, tap delete, and the invite messages will be removed. Afterward, you can unblock and follow the person again if you want to. And that's it, guys. 2 easy ways to delete invite messages. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.